A quick summary of Harper Lee's novel, To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird follows a young girl named Scout Finch as she navigates growing up in a small town in Alabama in the 1930s. Her father, Atticus Finch, is a lawyer who defends a black man accused of raping a white woman. The novel explores themes of racism, injustice, and the complexities of morality. It has been praised for its poignant storytelling and its message of empathy and understanding. If you haven't read it yet, add To Kill a Mockingbird to your reading list. It's a classic for a reason.